Hi everyone. Today I'm going to recap the pronunciation of important sounds in French which we have already done. Let's begin. IN sound is pronounced as A in French. The nasal sound A. 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 So whenever you see these letters written together, they have to be pronounced as the nasal sound A. A in French. Okay? En sound is pronounced as on in French. On, on. This is also the nasal sound. On. Whenever you see en written together, you have to pronounce it as on. On. EAU is pronounced as O in French. O. O. So whenever you see these three letters written together, EAU, you have to pronounce it as O. O. ON is pronounced as the nasal sound O in French. O. 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 So whenever you see ON written together, you have to pronounce it as O. O. AN is pronounced as O in French. The AN sound is pronounced as O in French. O. O. This is the same sound as we make in EN. So if it would be EN, then also the sound would be O only. So AN is also pronounced as O, and EN also when written together is pronounced as on. On. AU is pronounced as O in French. The AU sound when written together, it is pronounced as O. O. The same way as you pronounce EAU in French. That also we pronounce as O. O. This acute accent in E changes the pronunciation to A in French. A. 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 This grave accent in E changes the pronunciation to A in French. A. A. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of various sounds in French. We have practiced the various sounds with the help of different vocabulary word examples so that pronouncing in French really becomes a cakewalk for all of you. I hope it will really go a long way in increasing your vocabulary and at the same time improving your pronunciation. Have a good day.